Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to show you the disc-bound planners that I'm using right now. I had a question about what I'm using as far as my main planner, and I think these are, no, it's not ARC. Yeah, it is Discbound. I know there's a couple of other brands that do make the Discbound. I know there's the ARC system, and I think there may be another one. And of course there's Happy Planner, and then now Walmart, is coming out with their own Discbound planner system. So I did have a question about how I'm using the Discbound planners that I currently have, and so I figured why not just go ahead and shoot a video so I can answer the question and show you guys exactly what I've got going on. So I'm going to start here with the top one. This is the Glam Planner from Walmart. It is obviously a Happy Planner knockoff. It is in the classic size, and I have been using this probably for the past month and a half as my main home everyday planner. So what I put in here are home related things. I put in stuff in regards to Caden's, my son's school, and I think I did start this in July. So I started it the week of July 23rd, and I am currently in this week's, which is the week of August 20th. And I'm probably going to finish this for the entire month of August, and then move into September. At least I'm kind of thinking. I'm debating whether or not I want to keep planning in this or if I want to move to the bigger size, because you may have seen the video I posted just before this one. I hauled the large version of the Walmart planner, and I'm thinking I'm going to use that because it has a vertical layout, but I'll explain that when we get to it. So I have next week already set up, or actually no, this is the first week in September because my birthday is on September 7th, so I wanted to set that week up, although again, I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this as my main home everyday planner. The next one I got, I have also shown this in a haul. This is actually the Happy Planner Teacher Edition, and I'm using this for planning my social media. I actually kind of messed up, and oh, I already ripped it out. I messed up for the month of August. I didn't realize, and I can probably show you. What I did is, I know this, but then I didn't think about it when I was working with it. Obviously, you've got Monday through Friday here, which is great, but then you've got 7 boxes across the top here. So I should have flip-flopped it and put the days here, and then my social media and blog stuff on this side, but I didn't do it, so I messed up the whole month of August, which is why it's not in here. So I'm going to start again in September. So because the way this is Monday through Friday, I didn't have anywhere to put what I'm posting on Saturday and Sunday, and I do post on the weekends. So I'm going to put the days of the week up here, and then these I'm going to do something with and change it, so I'll put like my blog, YouTube, Instagram, and so forth. So when I get this set up, I will definitely share with you guys how I'm using it and how it's working. The idea I have, at least in my head, is that it's going to make things a lot easier for me because it'll help me pre-plan a lot better instead of trying to cram all of this information either into my work planner or in my everyday planner. And then I probably will only have to reach for this, say, maybe once or twice a week. Next, I have the Happy Planner Wellness Planner. This is I think it's called the Wellness Edition. I have been using this, although I have not fully set it up yet, so I will be showing you guys how this is working for me. I've only been using it for a week because I bought it last week, but I'm really, really loving it. It's a really nice planner. I like the way it's laid out, and I like that it focuses on self-care and overall health, just in every area of your life. So I'm going to do an in-depth video on this once I get into a groove with it and figure out how I can make it work best for me. Like I said, I do like it, and it's a great planner, but I'm still figuring a few things out, so I'm not quite ready to share the setup with it yet. But I am in this every day. And then this is the last one here. And again, I just showed this in my last video. I'm thinking about using this as my main everyday planner just because I like the space. So it starts in August, and this is obviously just the bigger version of the classic size. And again, this is the Walmart planner, and so I really like this vertical layout, so I'm almost positive that I'm going to switch from this one into this one for my main everyday home planner. However, I still might use this like for decorating or maybe gratitude or something else. I'm not sure yet because I'm not really ready to give up using this one. So that is it. Those are my disc-bound planners that I am planning on using right now, and I hope that answers the question. I know this may seem like a lot for some people. I get those types of comments all the time, like, you know, is it overwhelming and confusing to have so many books going on? And for me, it's not, because the way my brain thinks, I think in categories, and I don't like to have too much in one planner. This also gives me an excuse to use more than one planner and also to try out different systems and different styles of planning. So this is what's working for me right now. Now obviously it's not my everyday carry. I don't take these with me everywhere, and this is not my business planner because that is separate also. So I will show you guys those two in the days to come. All right, everyone, if you have any questions about anything I talked about, feel free to post those down in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Wait. I will see you.
Caden's potato head eyes.
I will see